The remainder when 2023 raised to the power 2023 is divided by 35 is. Now this question was asked in JEE Main 2023 and is a very interesting problem from binomial theorem. Generally, if you see problems on remainder calculation, you will find that this number, the number with which you are dividing another number, is a small number like 5 or 7, 11. But this question becomes particularly interesting because we are dividing by 35, right? Now, but the good thing is that 35, if you break 35 into its prime factors, then 35 is 5 into 7. And the number 2023, this is a multiple of 7. If you divide 2023 by 7, then it will be 7 into, it will be perfectly divisible, and this number will be 7 into, and then 2, 8, and 9. Now, if you can make this observation that 2023 is a multiple of 7, then it becomes a very simple problem. Otherwise, it is a very lengthy, very calculative problem. So here what we'll do is that let us say this number is n. N is 2023 raised to the power 2023. Now because 2023 is multiple of 7, so we'll take 1 2023 outside, and that will write as 7 into 289. And then rest of the things I'll write as 2023 raised to the power 2022. The aim is to write this number as some multiple of 5 plus some constant, and then that constant will be the remainder. Now, because we already have this 7 outside, so now we'll try to write the rest of the numbers as multiple of 5 plus something. So basically, because if I can write this number remaining things as multiple of 5 plus some number, then 7 into 5, that will become 35, which is multiple of 35, and we'll get the remainder very easily. So basically now our aim is how to write this number 289 into 2023 raised to the power 2022 as multiple of 5 plus some constant, or basically what will be the remainder when this number, everything except 7, right? 289 into 2023 raised to the power 2022. When that number is divided by 5, then we have to figure out what will be the remainder, because we already have one 7 outside and we are dividing by 35. 35 is 7 into 5. So now we have to write the remaining thing as multiple of 5 plus some constant. And see, when we are dividing a number by 5, then the digit at unit place, that will decide the remainder, right? By calculating the digit at unit place, we can say what should be the remainder if the number is divided by 5. So therefore, uh, we'll try to figure out what should be the digit at unit place in this number, right? So we have, and remember, digit at unit place is decided by digit at unit place. So basically there is one digit 9, and then we have to see that in this number 3 raised to the power 2022, what will be the digit at unit place. So now if you see the different exponents of 3, so 3 raised to 1 is 3. Using cyclicity, we can solve this problem. 3 square, this will be 9. Then 3 cube, digit at unit place will be 7. 3 raised to the power 4, 1. And then again 3 raised to the power 5, this will be 3. So this is the pattern. 3971, again you will get 3971, and so on. So basically 3 raised to the power 4, right? If I have 3 raised to any multiple of 4, then the digit at unit place will be 1. This number 2022 is basically 2020 plus another 2. So this is of the form, right? 2022, this number is of the form multiple of 4 plus 2, right? This number you can write as 4m plus 2. And you can see that if I have 3 raised to 4m plus 2, then the digit at unit place will be 9, right? In 3 square we have 9. 3 raised to 6, again you will get 9 at unit place. 3 raised to 10, again you will get 9 at unit place. So basically in this number, because we are interested only in the digit at unit place, so in this number 2023 raised to the power 2022, the digit at unit place will be 9. Okay, maybe I can write one more step here. This you can write as 7 into 289 into, we have a number in which digit at unit place is 9, and we are interested only in digit at unit place because we want to find the remainder when we are dividing this number by 5, keeping 7 outside because 35 is 5 into 7. So now if I multiply these two numbers, 289, 9 at unit place and another 9 at unit place, will get 1 at unit place, right? 9 into 9, 81. So we have 1 at unit place. And if we have 1 at unit place in any number, right? If the digit at unit place is 1, and if we divide that number by 5, then remainder will be 1. So basically this number 289 into whatever this number will be, the digit at unit place is 9. If you multiply these two, the number will be of the form 5m plus 1 because the remainder is 5. So basically the number will be some multiple of 5 plus 1. And now one can write this as 7 into 5 will be 35. So 35 into m, where m is some integer, plus 7. So basically this is our number, right? The number is 35 into m. And therefore, if the number is of the form 35m plus 7, and if I divide this number by 35, then what should be the remainder? It will be 7. So this was very interesting problem, and without using binomial, simply by using cyclicity and some basic concepts, we can solve this problem. I'll explain one more concept here, which is very common mistake. That is, if you divide a number, right? If I have, I mean, whenever one number is factor of another number, and if you cancel the common factor, then remainder will change. So you should not cancel the common factor, right? For example, take a very simple example. Suppose if one number is, let us say, 45 by 12, and if you divide 45 by 12, what should be remainder? It will be 9. But if you cancel the common factor 3, so now you have 15 by 4. And in this case, what is the remainder? In this case, the remainder will be 3. So basically, if you cancel by common factor, then remainder is also divided by that common factor. So therefore, you should not cancel the common factor. And hence, we had taken this 7 outside, and we have carried this 7 to the last step. And now 7 into 5m will give us 35m plus 7, right? This number was 5m plus 1, multiple of 5 plus 1. So therefore, this number n 2023 raised to the power 2023, this will be of the form multiple of 35 plus 7, and if you divide by 35, remainder will be 7. So this was very interesting problem. Correct answer is 7. Thanks for watching and keep learning.